My name's Kyle McDowell. I'm the Director of Technology Solutions for Roland Machinery Company. I've got a team of guys that work with me. I've got coverage in Wisconsin, Northern Illinois, all of Southern Illinois and Missouri. The Technology Solutions Group, we're here to provide simple answers to complex problems. That's everything survey-wise, machinery automation-wise, not just on yellow iron like you see behind me, but also paving equipment, milling machines, anything on the modern-day job site that would require any form of technology automation, our group handles.
We've got a really good knowledge base amongst the four of us, as well as we've got working specialists that are product knowledge specialists, whether it's Hom, Workin, Vogler, or Kleeman. We can satisfy any need that you might have technology-wise or machinery-wise.
So the primary scope of what the Technology Solutions Group offers to customers is everything from job site management to in-field personnel management to fleet control type items, drone services, data manipulation, 3D modeling, you name it. Anything that has to do with on-site data management, we do, as well as providing the iron, as well as providing the survey products. So we have decided at Roland Machinery to help the customer out in taking a consultative role. We like to sit down with our customers on a one-on-one basis, interview them, see what their specific needs are, and then custom tailor a package that can best fit their needs and their budget. Support is paramount. Roland Machinery is making a full investment, not just in a team of TSEs, but also in all of our service personnel. In the last year and a half, we've substantially invested in training our technicians to be proficient with these pieces of equipment and supporting them, as well as our parts department. We're making a full commitment into all things technology for our customers. We want to be here for them, not just for today, but for the long haul, for the future. So new for our 10-year anniversary with the Technology Solutions Group is Roland Machinery's investment in providing these same types of automated solutions we provided with our Komatsu line into our working line in-house. Our goal at Roland Machinery is to be a one-call solution for all things technology right from the very beginning. We have customers that, they've hesitated to take a leap of faith into technology because of the significant investment, all the way to we have very advanced users with hundreds of pieces of iron in the ground, and we're here to help no matter what aptitude level the customer may have. We want to help them. We want to be invested with them. We want to be a partner with them.
My name's Kyle Weissmiller. I work at Roland Machinery. I have been for the last about 10 years now. I'm based out of Franksville, Wisconsin, is my main office, but I cover the entire state of Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So a TSE, Technical Solutions Expert, is our main line when it comes to anything demonstration related for our iMachine products or anything TopCon related. We also do the technical support and job site setups. If we have a 3D model built for the customer, we'll go around, do the localization for them, and then do any kind of training after the machines and the GPS products have been out with the customer for a while. And we'll do extra trainings through the winter, just at our offices and things like that. So if guys want that next step in their GPS capabilities, I'm more than happy to help them with that. We offer everything under one umbrella. No matter what happens on a job site, we have that support structure in-house to make sure you get back up and running as quick as possible.
So I've had the pleasure of working with Roland, some of their staff very closely, and I think my expectations were exceeded. I understood that Roland provided a lot of services for us, obviously on the equipment side, on the technology side. But when I had some needs come up and some projects I was working on and really got to experience that support firsthand, it dawned on me that it's a lot more than a service. It's a partnership. So Roland really takes it to a level well beyond what my expectations were. And just a great part of the team. The confidence that we have with Roland as part of our team here, it really allows us to take our services to the next level for our clients and for the public that they serve. And I can't imagine an environment without the support that their team brings to the table. Knowing that they're a phone call away and a quick drive down the road right here in Springfield, it means a lot to us, and we're real excited and real fortunate to have them as part of the team.
As far as our modeling and of the projects, Roland is taking care of. Basically, we just send them a thumb drive and they give us a model and we're ready to go. Just plug it into the machine and let the machine do the work.
They've done a fantastic job. They come out anytime that we ask, and they really know what they're talking about when we have questions. Kyle's his support is good, and it's very timely. He'll help us set the GPS, align it to the job site. Any software that we may have to input into the data collector, he can help with that. And he helps with the file building, getting it out and getting it back to us. And a lot of times he can get that directly to the field. It doesn't even have to go through me, so it makes my life easier. And again, it just comes back to that support and having somebody that has the answers.
My name is Brian Ellert. I am the TSE for Northern Illinois. I cover the Bolingbrook, Portage, Indiana, and Marengo branches. Day-to-day activities for me, being a TSE with Roland Machinery, is going out, visiting with customers on their job sites, and going through all of the different functions within the GPS machine monitors, helping them load job files, helping them localize job files, offering any support that I can, whether it's with Komatsu or Top People.
We invested in a Komatsu 210 this year with Intelligent 2.0 machine with basically GPS autos for excavating, and Roland flew us down to Atlanta to try out this new technology. And I am not an operator, I'm a surveyor, but I hopped in the machine and it made me look like an operator. So, and before we even left, I was on the phone with our operations manager and our senior superintendent about how we got to get into the 3D excavators. We've got that 210 sitting in a creek doing excavation, stone placement, and survey layout all in one machine with 2 people. A lot of the material that we're excavating is underwater, so we can collect as-built, we can see where we're at, and it's automated, so it'll keep him from over-digging or under-digging, which helps control our cost.
Roland was out here when we tried the new work entering the system. We had a lot of support on site. They came out when we first got it and showed us how to set it up the most efficient way. I know not everywhere gets the support, but it seems like Roland's, they've got it on the support. So whatever you need, there's a phone call away.
So technology, what we're looking for is cutting edge first off, right? We want to be right on the edge of technology as it grows and as it changes in the industry. We want to experiment with everything that comes out to make us more an efficient company. We're looking at improving the dollar, really the bottom end on production and getting the most bang for our buck. So besides intelligent machines with smart construction, we're using drones, we're using photogrammetry, doing a lot of flights for cut fill quantities, mapping. We also do it for videography. Then we're doing a lot of stringless technology as well, so we're using a lot of total stations to control our pavers and our graders and some of our skid loaders. So I utilize a smart construction remote, so I'm communicating with our dozers on a daily basis to transfer files, to help train our new employees as well, because the younger people coming up in the industry are very technologically savvy. So we like to log in and I can kind of train them from the office while they're in the dozer to help them perform at the job site. Roland Machinery has played a great role in getting us up to speed as far as smart construction. We've got a great partnership with them. We're keeping on the cutting edge with technology, especially tech support. So things change so much, we need to learn from them and we need to be taught, and then we need to teach our people in the field. So we got a great line of communication with them, and they're always a phone call away. The dealership support is extremely important. Like I said, technology is changing at such a fast level that without that support, we would kind of be dead in the water, so to speak. If we came upon a problem and we didn't experience that problem before, we wouldn't generally know how to fix it immediately. We need to keep moving, right, for production. So give them a call, they're here, they help us through it, whether it's the phone, whether they come out to the field and help us, and that helps us keep moving. Our smart construction team is fantastic. We work with Kyle Weismuller with Roland Machinery. He's been great to us. He's keeping us on the cutting edge. He helps fix problems. He can log in remote as well if we've got a problem. We trust him as well, as much as he would be an employee of ours. So he's been a great help to us.
So I work out of the Bridgeton office, is my closest office to home. So I cover central and eastern Missouri. We have coverage in southern Illinois also. So we're trying to help people make their job easier, make it go quicker, make it go faster, make everything more profitable.
Man, I learn every single day. I've learned that every customer's engagement and how their business practices are different. We could have 100 different customers all doing the exact same type end product, but every single one of them is going to go about it differently. They're going to get their answers as far as material estimations, the way they perform their takeoffs, the way they plan to deploy their machinery and their personnel in the field is going to be different in every single application. So again, another reason why we try to put a personal touch on any type of consultative service that we can offer.